tegeneye mukum yakana tiase mambo kapfuageneye nirabachi mambo kapfuageneye nimufanje mambo kapfuageneye ninje mambo kapfuageneye
I see you. 21 Consalot. Don't forget to hit the share button. Invite friends. Okay, fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens of the revolution, una good evening wherever una dey, especially our people for Ground Zero. Yes, we don't come for another show for today, and we don't put our number in the screen. In the course of the discussion, if you think for call for contribute, if you call, if you interrupt at any moment, you call, even announce I will talk. If you think for call, if you call, you give your own suggestion, you tell me what you think, how the revolution is go. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, once more with a good evening. This one Erico Akaba. Yeah, before I want to go to the topic and the program where I bring out today, I highlight which way you go across the Ambazonian territory as of the week. We don't see how our boys they demonstrate for the Bowie warriors. We don't see the Manfe warriors, and we don't see even our boys for the BLM all over the territory of Ambazonian. We don't see how the lockdown, I mean the roads, or the Manfe Ekok roads, or the shutdown, it will be highly respected. That one, it will give you some gravity, it will give you some strength, for no say, for make la Republic no say, now we will control our territory. The territory of Ambazonia belongs to us. At any moment, if necessary, we will shut down the whole territory of Ambazonia. The colonial military, where they day out, now we kill our civilians. Now, where our boys they not decide for shut down the roads. If they not say, they be man picking them with cannons to the last, make them go face our restoration fighters. Make them come over town. When I tell the Republic, they say they come over town. Our boys they not there for town anymore. Our boys them there for suburb, for protect the territorial integrity of Ambazonia. They protect the land. the day for borders. So me la Republic need to come up for town for the rape our girls them, for the burn our houses, for the maltreat our mommy them. We go face our restoration fighters along the border. Our restoration fighters, the day will protect our borders, will shut down the roads. We go face them. So our town, the commissioner for Ground Zero, Comrade Willie, where he don't come for the short moment where he don't come, we see his strategy. I think say his strategy way for the short moment where he just come just the week. I think say Comrade Willie, the commissioner for Ground Zero, he get a very good strategy way. Sooner or later, Ambazonian, our victory will come so soon. Yes. We don't see for the past week La Republic medias as we talk now, they don't confuse because La Republic don't use all his strategy, he don't finish. They don't burn down our houses, we not see resolve. They don't kill our people, no way. They kill our people, hang their neck, they head them for stick. They have them do our maxas for say I say if we surrender, way no day. But you see our momentum, it is strong, not strong, it is strong, not strong. And La Republic now don't confuse because for them now, the more the burn houses, the more our energy is strong. The more they kill our people, the more we resist them. Say they will kill all we, but they don't take that land. They don't the couples of days, the whole series of meetings, and the governors and the DOs, they confused. They say they don't know what to do. Because as a meeting where the whole of the intelligence will get them, that they lock down for a cock. That they lock down for a cock, it make them the whole that emergency meeting for see a strategy how the people put military along the road. But a high security officer be tell them say it be impossible. They be tell them say it be impossible, and for the way to where they gather, the military they tell them the military man where I not call his name, but they know. If we tell them for that meeting, clean and clear say, this war, the level where it go, if the military or La Republic not take care, the future, it will be pregnant. And the boys them, he said the boys them, don't start. He tell them clean and clear for that meeting say, me they not rely only on Nigeria. Say our boys them don't try to do locally made material, and that one of the baddest thing that will ever happen. So he pleads with the governor, say if you wait every day, me they resolve the issue. And military man he talk so. Say if he pleads with the governor, say military they die. He talk say military they die, and them nothing talk for media say military die. Or he go give a strength to Ambazonian. He talk and clean and clear say military they die every day. And he talk like he say every day they lost military. So he plead with the governor say if you wait every day, me they resolve this issue. And he talk again say now they lock a cock road and the Metazem road. They talk about the road for Metazem, where we will talk about subsequently for the show. Say now another blow. Now they blow that way, it will give a slap to the military, not only the military, the government, because the government not will contain that military along that road. So we will come to that one where we talk the lockdown of that Metazem road, Bamenda La Republic road. So I want to thank our restoration fighters. We not think say as they do that I think they will Ground Zero day, then they hear back, then they communicate minute by minute, then they give report by report. What way when they do Una labor only go invent. Then they put our record, and we the Ambazonian people we put our record. And the meeting that way it passed for La Republique last week, where they brainstorm for another strategy because all that strategy it don't fail. They don't do everything. They do all things. They rape our picking them. They do this. They massacre Gabu, Kumba, Mautu, Bali, Santa. We no still stop for fighting. So and we gather some top intelligence where they come all the way from the internal government, all the way from the UN. The tell and public behind. Like intelligence that we give now. Then the tell and public behind. Say them not ever in the history of mankind win this war with military. You tell them. When I know my as when you come, you make that decision. Then you call them, tell them. When I know say Tubo Nagi tell them 2 years ago. When this thing just start, when no be only use only one way, we don't start make our popcorn them anyhow. We make our fufu them anyhow. Tubo Nagi tell them. Say military solution, it not been at the best. And me, La Republic, not ever for history of mankind dream say them fit ever win this war. Tibo Nagi tell them, but they no hear. Una just be patient. As we start with popcorn, a subsequent month to come, we're going to produce an AKs, RPGs manufactured by ourselves. We're going to tell our Republic say, ambassador they go school will be to intelligence. And we'll use that intelligence. The world now is a small village. The world now is a small village. I want to tell our Republic say, the world now is a small village. Anything where you think will do them, provided you focus, you go do them. We go start. Subsequent month to come, we not go start here explosive the way we not be ever or we not be ever dream say we go get them. As we start with small popcorn, very soon we go upgrade. We will go to high level. So as La Republic no one go for the negotiation table, me they wait we. And as the war in the progress in the go. Now so we feel the pain. As we feel the pain, them too go surely feel the pain over the Mongols. We just keep our finger crossed. There we see wait the way it go on. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens. Now, some persons say, "Ma pass this message to our restoration fighters and the sympathizers of this revolution. The sympathizers of the revolution and our restoration fighters on ground zero." The person say, "Ma, please, with our restoration fighters, say this war don't change face. This war, not be that war that day where we stand for Moyoka. We say wata na wata where them day. Or we stand for Bali, road, we block, we say where them day. Or we stand for Mokutuja, we block, we say where them day. This war don't pass that level. Now, I want peace with all the restoration fighters and all the LGH here. Now, military intelligence, it give the message. The war now, it go from conventional war to guerrilla warfare. We don't pass that level for conventional war. Because now the war that way La Republic is final. La Republic want move fight, move come tete and tete. We move fight tete and tete. But we tell them say we don't pass that level. We don't pass that level for conventional war where they will shoot gaga. We to answer for that side, nothing that la Republic one time. Now, when you go for tactical war, I mean the tactical war where na guerrilla warfare, where we set trap, la Republic don't know how we do. When they ask you, so what is the meaning of trap? What is the meaning of trap? Trap. Now a process where you set something where you want catch something, and that thing don't know say you the planning. That means say now planning, you don't plan, you strategize to catch some person or you catch something, and then that thing where you want catch it, you don't get any knowledge. Say you want catch it, then you set now you wait. As it reach on the place where you be waiting, you ambush it, you take it on surprise. Now trap that. So the military man tell me say, "Man, beg our boys them. May we stop for make videos, make gaga. We know the world and Ambazonian don't know una determination. Ambazonian don't know what you be capable of doing. We don't know say that the Republic of we una. But now, may we go back to a strategy where it will give the Republic more work and you go pay me. Then it go for talk say tactical war, guerrilla warfare, it be very cheap and very cheap for manage. You know, to be expensive. He asked me say, I see what will happen for Bui. The ammo car they destroy them and La Republique they cry. When I see the videos where La Republique, the military they cry. When I see any of our resolution fighters, when I see any of our resolution fighters, no, they know they don't disappear. We don't know say they now ghost fighters. They disappear. Now we don't inflict more pain on La Republique. We don't inflict more pain on them and more damage, economic damage. We know the cost of that motor, the cost of that car where the damage now billions. One vehicle, not a small vehicle, not just normal motor where you don't go buy them. One motor, they get the way they arrange it and why they will be very expensive. But now we don't beat them. We give the economic sabotage. Now the military man tell me say, man don't look and evaluate the amount of money when they use them for do that explosive. He said if you want plenty, for that explosion you do them, high should be 100,000. If you want plenty, the money where it damage those materials, the ammo car will serve for mining. The one will serve for the BLM. If you calculate the cost of the material where the damage, it gives the Republic more economic sabotage and inflict them with more pain. And then he asked me, say, how much be AK? How much it be AK? And he asked me again, say, if our boys they be go for battlefront, we know Shawara, now all they go come back. And he give La Republique now fear. La Republique they come over come anyhow for Waka. Guerrilla warfare, they give enemy, they give enemy fear. Your enemy don't know who's you day. Your enemy don't know who's you set trap. And so they will pack go. The only thing that will pack go. But if your enemy know, sorry you day, and then he knows where he come, you go take him for conventional fight. He go come because he get amoka, he get everything. So the military man pray to me, say, man, beg. No, so because when we talk for here, some people will talk say, why would you say intelligence for online? Do you want to be intelligent with the Islam? This convention, this guerrilla warfare, that we were supposed to share our all Ambazonian, not be only our restoration fighters. We are going to take this message. This message will go to all Ambazonian because all we will be capable of fighting the fight. You one, if you decide, one Ambazonian, if you decide on ground zero, say you will send to Tar. You one, if you decide, say you will send to Tar for down. They are already fight the fight. We need to send our intelligence. We need to send our intelligence. We need to educate. We need to send our intelligence here. So he go further will tell me, say, move please. Our boys in a guerrilla fight. When the Republic will understand, say, na guerrilla fight, we don't start a fight. My brother and sister, they will beg me for say move go. Now they will the best for the Swiss. Now they will the beg. He go and they will say, if 70% of our fighters fit engage the knowledge of guerrilla fighting, setting of trap. My brothers and sisters, we are going just, he say highest to be 4 months. 4 months. We go, that means say, he say, we go take a very short possible means for destroy all that are armor cars, all that are vehicles. The Isema gives a wide intelligence for our fighters. I be activists. I know there for any executive position of this. I'm just mere activists where I say, as we get fighters away, they be determined for fight. Some of them follow na Facebook. Some of them follow advice for the activists. Some of them gather intelligence for Facebook. I want to talk until where it talk. So intelligence. Me all because I know people to say I will monitor the chairman of Bui County. I monitor the chairman of Ngokutinja. I monitor the chairman of Libe. If I talk for Facebook here, I think say it will go for all sides. It will go for all sides. It gives our intelligence say it pleads with our fighters. If we know what plan explosive, in short, more not of that one. That one, I won't remember be dangerous. That one, if I want to, you'll be intelligence. That's why if I talk that one, I will contact. Better say contact. I know talk that one. Yes, I know talk that one. Okay. Now we go for strategies. The way we go for use them for keep La Republic out of our territory before we wait with the big fire for come. Before I want to go for this strategy, as before I be on top. I want to thank Comrade Willie very much. The commissioner for Ground Zero. Say kudos. Ya cafe them up. You come with a very good strategy for winning this war. You come with a very good strategy for winning this war. When I remember say Comrade Willie, he begins a message outside. But we never start enforce that message. All La Republic drivers, when they drive for our territory, we they pack and go. Our residential fighter will hear the message. I want to bet our residential fighter say when they give decision, that decision, we define all way for system ministry and with short possible time. We are not think say we hate people. No. Our resistance fighters will not get to start arrest any La Republic driver. As Comrade Willie, the commissioner for Ground Zero, will talk. Any La Republic driver where he pass ambassador territory, una no give him mercy. Una no give him mercy. And me say, we want see, because see, why someone go ask say why? Someone go ask say why? Una know say when our boys and them for some place don't take cover, where they don't set trap. Man where the command go tell la Republic military say that boy the devil wrote. Na driver. Na driver. And la Republic driver they do that work. Na la Republic driver they do that work. And na they got deep intelligence for military say that boy in day. Now they did the army, they did in 5. Now what did they hold on? Now so they do hold on. Now they give that intelligence. So for fasting our war, La Republic will start pack and go. Now the first strategy that we no fear. We no get fear say our people they will La Republic. La Republic signed a Geneva Convention. So our people they did like refugees. We ambassador will never sign any Geneva Convention for protect any man for our territory. So we no fear. Me no man no fear. We never sign up Geneva Convention, never sign up treaty with some people say some people go there for our territory. We tell the world say I'm a war there for ambassador, so we no condone with any stranger as of now for ambassador. So me la Republic they go. Me la Republic they pack. They go, they come back. Their land, no man will seize their land. No man will take their property. Ambassador will not do that way. They will come back. When we don't win our war, they come with due process, take their thing back. Because we don't discover say, if they don't go and they delay with this war, now they expire. We say ghost town, they don't want to respect ghost town. We say this, they don't want to respect this. Me they pack and go. Secondly, our resource fighters, the pipe where I want to tell our fighters, so tell them I don't know. I want to tell people, not only our fighters, civilians, and the best even civilians them, they want to be other fighters. The pipe we can identify the pipe where the carry pen, where the lead, the transfer petrol to Ndian, from Ndian to Victoria. We can cut the pipe. We can cut that pipe where I get intelligence. We already get intelligence. Say military the devil Ndian, military the devil Ndian are the result. Military the devil Ndian are the result because they fear. They fear say if you attack that pipe where they transfer petrol from Dian to Victoria, they get intelligence. They get that intelligence. But that intelligence, you don't get anything to do with. That pipe, you don't get that for one place. I want when I know where Nigeria is fear Bayelsa boys. When I know where Bayelsa boys they talk, Nigeria government you don't respect. When I see even where Biafra they talk, they need to make Nigeria government. When I see Nigeria government open up Biafra, they need open them up because they don't say that people they talk, they don't get anything to do. But when the Bayelsa boys they talk, the government it go down on its knees, it beg them because wait, now they hold the natural resources. It does that territory. When the government, when they talk, the government don't want to tell, say they will shut down the natural resources. The government go down on its knees. And Brazil get the natural resources. Then why we talk like Republic 1 year? We talk like Republic 1 year. Where petrol come up for our site. Petrol is there our site. CDC, PAMO, is there our site. We talk the government 1 year. What you go for do? See, war, not be killing. War and destruction. If If we want win war, when international body here say we don't cut the pipe. The pipe. What did that pipe, that petrol do? More not forget say this person say we don't cripple Sonera. But this is work and government still get money for Sonera. Each individual, not only restoration fighters, I beg, una team, our population, the war go for end. Now we collective ambassador and they will fight the war. We are not give a lot only to fighters. You where you know you get intelligence for whosoever that pipe pass. Why no contact we? You tell that pipe that the line this or that pipe. That the line this or that pipe it pass. They will go there. They will be here for we. We go there, we cut the pipe for that petrol from there. The pipe pass inside bush. It pass inside bush. La Republic will guide the whole forest. No way. No way. La Republic will guide the whole forest. If we talk so, some people say intelligent, they say, yes, but now what did I will do? If people don't want to be educated, better so talk. La Republic officials do know nothing. You know, if not do anything, we go talk, we do it. They don't do anything. We need to say that intelligence. Because some people say, we carry our intelligence, go to Facebook. No. We the tongue and say, me people will be aware. Some people no say petrol in the command and dia. Some people think say petrol then are Victoria. The number of military in Indian, it passes over for Victoria. Because they know what way we ambassador have to do. What the CDC, the other portion you see do. Not only restoration fighters, you a civilian, not dry in this. Not dry in this. If you fear petrol, buy kerosene. If you fear petrol, 1 liter for night, you don't get trucks on place on dry grass, you like matty pack, you go you. You don't fight your own fight. You don't fight your own fight. As the fire catch, it go. Before 1 year, pack the whole plantation they down. And then, which agreement they breach the local sign? We don't fight. They will see keep in the way they bring international, where you see create international awareness. Martin as a way, it make international body, they get interest for the Republic. We will see keep them. Why would we keep them? All we collectively ambassador and we get to start fight this fight. We no way only on restoration fighters. We no way only on restoration fighters. We see some British military them when I beat them, the bill I want to go side. I not even careful, no. They don't do fine for build that bridge. Now 1 minute. And my tell you something. Now we don't build that bridge where they say our restoration fighters now they be born. They were there with that area for some time. They were there with that area for some time for protect that bridge. But you know what? A small civilians, small picking so. Now you just say me don't need for some idiot chop it. Now wood. That bridge now wood. It take the time for building. But it take about seconds for destroy. That bridge will go down. When I know say that bridge as a builder, so they don't do photos. When I see photos, it's a play on social media. Now reconstruction that where with the design say no, they will attend to the reconstruction. Now the reconstruction that where the Republic talk. If you say so another reconstruction will come. That road the way we live at the greater go on Jikwa, the buoy. Now for them, they call a reconstruction because they never ever get program with that road. They tell the world say the great road, they expand road them. After expand road them, they can start now reconstruction that. They drive by the way they drive like caterpillar them. Now them, una them. When you shoot one driver, the other one you know come. This our girls them. This our girls them to na ambassador ambassador girls them. Una get plenty work to una supposed to help we. For fish out all these people them. Our girls them. Our girls them. This fight will be all about boys. Na collective fight for our boys, our girls them. Because all these workers they can't grade road, they like small chap. All the workers the way they can't make the grade road caterpillar, these caterpillar workers, they like small chap them. As I if you're brand new, you don't know the locality, then you just you can't pick una don't pick it like that way trap the cash rat. Una don't pick it and pick them. Now they fight that. We not go green. New road. We want we fight. Then they play football for Ambazonian. Young sport. One a canon sport. A young sport that the Komoka play. Which tournament? All the tournament. All the football tournament for Ambazonian they will stop. We don't have a war zone. That means we go a war. They kill our people. So another people they enjoy. Because ball and enjoyment. People don't gather for fee. They watch football and they give intelligence for military. I was there when people gather, plenty sense. When I think say why are the public used to deny when the one get careful, the ones they say they don't want more than 10 people in the gather because they know say when 2 or 3 people gather for one place, intelligently come out. Some man go talk on top. Say in no play that Amba boy day. We never stop the tournament. No tournament no supposed to take place for Ambazonian territory. No tournament. No game will take place. We game will start destroy bridges. I never say that one go effective. Any means where you go give the occupier means for penetrate into the interior. Any means where you go give the occupier the means for penetrate into the interior. We block them. We block them. Mateo, na something. This fight with the CSO, it go la end of the suburb. It go la end of interior. Because the fight is starts for interior. It come now for town. Now he will go back for time will come out, and the last battle will go end out at the public. Our boys will go take courage, come back. Mami the way when they say chop, when I will start stop for say chop for la Republic military. Una they will stop and not say they go pressurize una. They go pressurize una. But I not say no way, no way if you deny will say trouble military because they will tackle say you support Amba. The way you will survive with your life, with your picking them. We get a restaurant or you get food place where La Republic military ever catch up for day and they like a chop very well. Contact we behind. We evacuate you and your family, everything. Just contact we behind. Contact we behind. Another strategy. Now we burn down the Republic houses. I say, why La République all this time. They don't burn down the whole villages. Kill our mammy, massacre people. They will see condo with them. We get for activate. Even though I don't say burn house, you know they for our culture. You know they in we. But we get to start. Sell La Republic out by burning their own houses. By burning their own houses. Then the last of that topic. I think we will talk about fighter. I don't know whether some of these people they give us small bribe. But I want to tell any residential fighters where you take bribe, you catch some person, you take bribe, you release it, no say your name will die. When you identify that person you work with the military, then you arrest him, you take money, no say your name will die. You must die. That person must come back, he must report to the military, they kill you. So if you are the waste time, when they give order, and then that people will come, they say, no, I don't reach the fighters. I don't clear my road. No, see that money when he give you. He don't reach you again. When one pass, now he show military say, now the person that. Because military will call him, they'll ask him. He said, no, you don't clear road. They say, give the money for who? He said, no, the guy. And I will show you for military. They kill you. The simple issue here, when you hold a black leg complete one, where you work La Republic military, where all man know, say this man, now La Republic, I will get a better role for play with La Republic. He get for buy you AKs. Then you send him, me go, you send him. Say me go for Ekema. Go ask Ekema. Say me you release him. That means say you take what you want for him first. Why don't take the thing you want for him? Then you send him over Ekema. Me go ask Ekema. Wala, this is what you do for una. Me the release him. Now, two things here, no ever mistake. Say, you catch a person when you know say true. The man give you even a we have a war, we need money. You take the money, then you send it for Ekema. Now, I'm sure if any person want call, if you call that number for bot, you contribute your own idea. Now, we'll go to the function of RPG. Fellow Ambazonian, fellow citizens, why would you bring all these strategies for keep La Republic out? We come out with big firewood RPG. For can conclude the game. For can step up the game. What the big firewood do? So I say, what the big firewood do? AK never do. Big firewood, it function. It be capable. It be capable of collapsing all the bridges. See, big firewood, what do you ever do? If you take now, when you go far distance, may I tell you something? Big firewood and big better explosive. Big firewood and better explosive. All them almost get the same function. But big firewood now, he wanna say, because you don't get that, you don't get that rot, you don't get that capability to go put them for that place, because explosive you must go plant them for that place. Sometimes La Republic doctor they all over. But big firewood, the advantage I said, you go take it from far distance. It causes huge damage. Huge damage. Now, what of the advantage that? Big firewood, we use it to stop any public gathering for Ambazonian. We stop any public gathering for Ambazonian. No 11 February. La Republic decides to go with a small grandstand. Whole public gathering. Big fire will be capable of destroying the whole of that building and every man will perish. And they walk down for big firewood. Because explosive, you want to go the military. Big fire will be capable of destroying barracks of the Republic military. Destroy barracks of the Republic military. Big fire will be capable of destroying public infrastructure, renowned public infrastructures. Now you work that. Now the damage that way people beat the occupier. We know them with the clown where they will war, they will keep pamper till they pamper. Now they work that. We don't hear the announcement of the closure of Bamenda Metasm Road. I want please with all due respect for our civilians. Me no man, no temper for pass that road. Me no man, no temper for pass that road. That road has been shut down. The road to Metasm has been shut down. We know say some stubborn people will go see what will happen. And our restoration forces around that area, they take you for long range. They don't can stop motor will say who they why when they do this. Any man they see along that road is a military. Any man they see along that Metasm road, now the Republic military, they will take you with long range. We are not worried. As a war, they go intelligent camp. We are going to discover the snipers. Go enter Ambazonian. Yeah, the Republic wait. Because we don't see events the way they provoke. We were intelligence and be say this way the man you talk so. How we take this man out of here? Me don't worry. It's not small. You the catch monkey. Small. You the catch monkey. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens. Now they wait that way. I get them for una today. Una stay blessed. We will come with more updates as far as the revolution is concerned. Thank you so much for watching.